At the heart of Nutella's production lies an extraordinary transformation, one that turns simple, natural agricultural ingredients into a perfectly smooth, globally consistent chocolate hazelnut spread. This transformation does not rely on chance intuition or manual craftsmanship alone. Instead, it is driven by industrial-scale precision, advanced food science, and relentless quality control. In the largest Nutella factories in the United States, every step of this process is engineered to achieve one goal: ensuring that every spoonful of Nutella tastes, smells, and feels exactly the same no matter where or when it is made. The journey begins with ingredients, but not just any ingredients. Hazelnuts are the soul of Nutella, and they receive the highest level of scrutiny. Long before they ever enter the factory, hazelnuts are sourced from carefully selected regions known for producing nuts with the ideal balance of oil content, aroma, and flavor. When shipments arrive at the factory, the transformation has not yet begun, but the evaluation has. Each load is sampled and tested in on-site laboratories. Moisture levels are measured to prevent spoilage. Oil content is analyzed to ensure richness, and aroma profiles are checked to confirm freshness. Any batch that fails to meet strict specifications is rejected without exception. This zero-compromise approach ensures consistency at the very foundation of the product. Once approved, the hazelnuts enter a tightly controlled storage system designed to preserve quality. Temperature, humidity, and airflow are continuously monitored by digital sensors. Even minor environmental changes can affect nut quality, so automated systems adjust conditions in real time. Only when production schedules demand it are the hazelnuts released into the processing line, ensuring they remain at peak freshness. Roasting is the first true act of transformation, and it is one of the most critical stages in the entire Nutella making process. Industrial roasters, vast rotating machines capable of handling massive volumes, apply heat with surgical precision. This is not simple roasting, it is a calibrated thermal process developed through years of research. Roasting unlocks the hazelnuts' natural oils and intensifies their nutty aroma, but the margin for error is razor thin. Under-roasting results in a flat, raw flavor, while over-roasting introduces bitterness. Sensors inside the roasters track temperature, rotation speed, and time down to the second. Computer systems make constant micro-adjustments to ensure every nut emerges perfectly roasted. As the hazelnuts exit the roasters, their outer skins loosen naturally. High-powered air systems and mechanical separators remove these skins efficiently without damaging the kernels. At the same time, optical sorting machines scan each nut at incredible speed, identifying and ejecting any that show discoloration, damage, or irregular shape. What remains is a stream of flawless roasted hazelnuts, uniform in appearance and flavor, ready for the next stage. Grinding transforms solid nuts into something entirely new. Heavy-duty industrial mills crush the roasted hazelnuts into an increasingly fine paste. This process generates friction and heat, both of which must be carefully controlled. Too much heat can degrade flavor compounds and alter texture, so cooling systems work alongside the grinders to keep temperatures within a narrow range. The goal is to achieve a smooth, flowing hazelnut paste with no grainness, a base that will later merge seamlessly with chocolate and sugar. By the end of this stage, the hazelnuts no longer resemble nuts at all. They have become a glossy, aromatic paste that forms the backbone of Nutella's flavor. While hazelnuts are being transformed, other ingredients are undergoing their own preparation in parallel systems. Cocoa powder arrives finely milled but still undergoes additional testing and sifting to remove clumps and ensure uniform particle size. Sugar, another key component, is refined to exact specifications and screened for consistency. Milk powder is tested for freshness, fat content, and solubility. Even palm oil, used to give Nutella its signature smoothness and spreadability, is carefully handled. It is gently heated in stainless steel tanks until it reaches a precise liquid state, ensuring it will blend evenly without affecting flavor. What makes this process remarkable is synchronization. Every ingredient is weighed and released according to digitally controlled recipes. Automated dosing systems measure quantities with extreme accuracy, often down to fractions of a gram. These systems are connected to a central control network that oversees the entire production line. If one ingredient is delayed or deviates from specification, the system automatically compensates or halts production. This orchestration ensures that each batch is identical to the last. The mixing stage is where Nutella truly comes to life. Enormous stainless steel mixers, some towering several stories high, receive the hazelnut paste, cocoa powder, sugar, milk powder, palm oil, and flavorings. As the mixers rotate, Powerful paddles fold the ingredients together slowly and methodically. Speed is carefully regulated. Mixing too fast could introduce air bubbles or uneven blending, while mixing too slowly could reduce efficiency. Engineers monitor viscosity, density, and temperature throughout the process, ensuring the mixture develops the correct structure. At this stage, the mixture is thick, rich, and intensely aromatic, but it is not yet Nutella as consumers know it. Texture refinement is still required. Human taste buds are extremely sensitive to particle size, and even microscopic granules can create a gritty sensation. To eliminate this, the mixture passes through a refining system composed of precision rollers. These rollers grind the mixture repeatedly, reducing particles to sizes so small they are imperceptible on the tongue. Laser-based sensors measure particle dimensions in real time, ensuring the fine texture meets exact standards developed through extensive sensory testing. The refining process also plays a crucial role in flavor integration. As particles become smaller, flavors meld more completely. Cocoa bitterness, hazelnut richness, and sweetness balance each other perfectly. This harmony is not accidental, it is engineered. Food scientists have spent decades refining these parameters to achieve Nutella's unmistakable taste. Temperature control remains critical throughout refinement. Heat affects viscosity, flavor stability, and mouthfeel. Cooling and heating systems work in tandem to maintain optimal conditions, preventing separation or texture defects. Every second of this process is logged and analyzed, creating a digital record that allows engineers to trace and optimize performance continuously. By the time the mixture exits refinement, it has fully transformed. What began as raw agricultural products is now a smooth, glossy, homogeneous spread with a precisely engineered flavor profile. But even at this advanced stage, quality checks continue. Samples are extracted and analyzed for taste, aroma, texture, and chemical composition. These tests ensure that the batch aligns perfectly with Nutella's global standards. This entire transformation, from raw hazelnuts to refined chocolate spread, reflects the philosophy behind Nutella's production. It is not just about scale, although the scale is immense. It is about control. Every variable is measured, every process is optimized, and every outcome is predictable. This approach allows Ferrero to produce Nutella to massive quantities while preserving the exact sensory experience consumers expect. In essence, precision ingredient transformation at industrial scale is the foundation at Nutella's success. It is where agriculture meets automation, where natural flavors meet engineered consistency, and where millions of individual steps combine into a single, familiar taste. Each jar represents not just a product, but a triumph of modern food technology, one that turns simple ingredients into a globally loved spread with unmatched reliability. After Nutella's chocolate, hazelnut spread has been refined to its signature smoothness. The operation shifts into a phase where speed and accuracy matter just as much as flavor. This stage transforms a continuous flow of product into millions of identical, shelf-ready jars and then moves them efficiently across the country. In the largest Nutella factories in the United States, packaging, inspection, and logistics are designed as one tightly integrated system, built to operate nonstop, minimize waste, and protect quality from the factory floor to the consumer's pantry. The first priority before packaging is stabilization. Nutella must reach a precise temperature and viscosity so it behaves predictably during filling. If the spread is too warm, it may flow unevenly or trap air. If too cool, it could resist filling and slow the line. Industrial holding tanks equipped with heat exchangers maintain this narrow temperature window. Sensors continuously track flow rate, density, and temperature, feeding data back to central control software that adjusts conditions in real time. This ensures that when the spread reaches the filling machines, it performs exactly as engineered. In parallel, empty glass jars begin their own journey. These jars arrive by the pallet, often in quantities large enough to support days of continuous production. Automated depalletizing systems remove layers of jars with robotic arms and place them onto conveyor belts. From this point onward, the jars move through the factory without direct human contact. Automation here is not just about speed, it is about hygiene. Minimizing manual handling significantly reduces contamination risk and ensures consistent processing. Before filling, every jar must be spotless. High-pressure washing tunnels rinse the jars with purified water, sometimes combined with controlled heat or steam. Air knives remove excess moisture, and sterilization steps ensure that no dust or microbes remain. Immediately afterward, inspection cameras scan each jar for defects such as cracks, chips, or shape irregularities. Even microscopic flaws can compromise sealing or shelf life, so defective jars are read automatically and diverted from the line. Once approved, jars are precisely spaced and aligned. Conveyor systems maintain millimeter-level accuracy, which is essential for the fill-in stage. Multi-nozzle fillers positioned above the line dispense Nutella into jars at high speed. Each nozzle is calibrated to deliver an exact quantity, and flow meters verify the amount dispensed in real time. If any deviation occurs, the system self-corrects or pauses production to prevent waste. The result is remarkable consistency. Every jar contains the same amount of product, with no visible variation. The filling process is engineered to be both gentle and efficient. Nutella flows smoothly, avoiding splashes or air pockets that could affect appearance or shelf life. Excess air is minimized to reduce oxidation. The goal is not just accuracy or perfection. When a consumer opens a jar, it should look exactly as expected. Immediately after filling, the jars move into sealing. Lids are fed into the line and placed onto jars by automated capping machines. These machines apply torque with extreme precision, tightening each lid to specifications that ensure an airtight seal without damaging the glass or lid. Sensors measure torque and seal integrity for every jar. Any jar that fails to meet requirements is automatically removed from the line. Labeling follows seamlessly. Automated applicators wrap labels around jars at high speed, aligning logos, text, and nutritional information perfectly. Date codes and batch numbers are printed directly onto the jar or lid. These codes provide full traceability, allowing the factory to identify exactly when and where each jar was produced. This traceability is critical for quality assurance, inventory management, and regulatory compliance. Quality control intensifies after sealing and labeling. Advanced vision systems equipped with high-resolution cameras inspect every jar. These systems check fill level, lid placement, label alignment, and code readability. Artificial intelligence compares each jar against a digital reference, identifying even subtle deviations invisible to the human eye. Jars that fail inspection are diverted instantly, ensuring only flawless products continue. Despite the sophistication of automated inspection, human oversight remains essential. At scheduled intervals, samples are taken from the line and sent to on-site quality labs. Some jars are opened for sensory evaluation, where trained panelists assess aroma, flavor, and texture. Others undergo laboratory testing for composition, shelf stability, and microbiological safety. This layered approach, automation plus human expertise, creates redundancy that dramatically reduces the risk of defects reaching consumers. Once jars pass inspection, they enter the secondary packaging stage. Robotic arms pick up jars and place them into cardboard boxes with speed and consistency no human team could match. Boxes are sealed, labeled, and coded for logistics tracking. The entire process is synchronized to prevent bottlenecks, allowing the line to operate at full capacity without interruptions. Palletizing comes next. Robots stack boxes into stable, space-efficient configurations optimized for transport and storage. Each pallet is wrapped, labeled, and scanned into the factory's digital inventory system. At this point, every jar is fully traceable. Its ingredients, production time, inspection and destination are all recorded in centralized databases. From packaging, Nutella moves into automated warehouses that resemble distribution hubs more than storage rooms. Tall racks stretch upward, and robotic cranes retrieve or store pallets based on real-time demand. Temperature and humidity are controlled to maintain product quality. Inventory stockler tracks stock levels continuously, ensuring the right amount of product is always available for shipment. Distribution planning begins long before jars leave the factory. Sales data, regional demand trends, and seasonal patterns feed into forecasting systems. These systems help planners anticipate where Nutella will be needed most and when. As orders arrive, pallets are retrieved automatically and staged at loading docks. Trucks are scheduled precisely to minimize waiting time, and loading operations are coordinated to maintain efficiency. When shipments depart, every pallet is scanned and verified against digital manifests. This ensures accuracy and reduces errors. Nutella then travels across the United States, by truck and sometimes rail, to distribution centers, retailers, and wholesalers. Throughout this journey, traceability remains intact. If a quality issue were ever identified, affected batches could be isolated quickly and efficiently. One of the most impressive aspects of this system is reliability. The factory is designed for continuous operation, often running 24 hours a day. Predictive maintenance systems monitor equipment health, analyzing vibration, temperature, and performance data to identify potential issues before they cause downtime. Maintenance teams intervene proactively, keeping production running smoothly and avoiding costly interruptions. Behind all this automation stands a skilled human workforce. Engineers, technicians, quality specialists, and logistics planners oversee systems, analyze data, and make strategic decisions. Their expertise ensures that machines operate at peak performance and that processes continue to improve. Automation does not replace people here, it amplifies their capabilities. This entire high-speed, high-control operation reflects the philosophy of Ferrero. Consistency, safety, and efficiency are non-negotiable. Consumers may only see a familiar jar on a store shelf, but behind it lies an intricate network of machines, data systems, and human expertise working in harmony. Nationwide distribution completes the picture. Thanks to automated packaging and logistics, Nutella produced in a U.S. factory can reach millions of homes quickly and reliably. Whether it appears in a small neighborhood store or a major supermarket chain, the product inside the jar is the same, smooth, rich, and instantly recognizable. In the end, Key Point 2 shows that Nutella's success extends far beyond its recipe. High-speed automation ensures efficiency,